Hey y'all, and welcome back to Getting Digital with Deja. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry I didn't do my cute little intro with my cute little outfit, but as you can see, I'm in my pajamas tonight because I'm tired. So this week's topic is how to trade with a small account. And when I say a small account, I really mean you ain't got no money. It's okay, we've all been there. I've been there. You ain't got no money. You really don't have no money to spend on trading. That is what a small account is, and so that's what we're going to be talking about this entire week. So my first piece of advice for anyone who wants to trade with a small account is to just not trade. Just don't trade. Hold off on it, okay? And the reason I say this, if you don't have the money to put into a trading account, you don't have the money to lose. You have to be comfortable with putting into your trading account what you're okay with losing. So if you're okay with losing $2,000, put $2,000 into your trading account. But if you lost $2,000 at this very second and you're going to be down bad, can't pay your bills, can't buy no groceries, can't even pay your Wi-Fi bill to even trade, don't do it. First step of trading, in my opinion, is learning your risk management, learning your trading styles. How are you with money? It's okay if you're bad with money. Trading will make you be good with money. It forces you to be good with money. So if you don't got the money, just hold off on it. The reason I say that you have to be comfortable with losing whatever money you put into your trading account is because you can blow your account at any minute. It doesn't matter if you trade crypto, futures, forex, options, it doesn't matter. All of them are very, very risky markets, and you can lose your money in a matter of seconds. I've blown my account twice already. I've met people who have blown their accounts by 25K, 35K, put their whole entire life savings into their trading account just for it to be gone in a matter of 10 minutes. Instead of forcing a trade or, like putting all your money that you have into your trading account and then trading it, how about this? Hear me out. What if, however you're making money right now, whether it's entrepreneurship, you're a corporate girly or a corporate guy, however you're making money, what if you took $100 per week if you can, or per month if you can, whichever one works, and put it into your trading platform, okay? And then when you feel comfortable, you can start trading. And the reason I say that is because while you're putting money into your trading account and building up your cash value inside of your trading account, you can be educating yourself on trading. Trading is not just like playing at a casino, you're just lucky. No, you need to learn the market. You need to learn the news. You need to learn market structure. You need to know what a candlestick is, and you need to study it, okay? And so that is very important. And after you study all of that, you need to have a demo account. You need to trade real life trading, but without your money. That's what a demo account is. It's called paper trading. So you're trading on whatever platform that you're in, and you're trading as if you're trading in real life. So the data that you receive and everything is real life and real time data, but it's not your money. You can put $1 million in there, you can put $10,000 in there. It doesn't matter because it actually doesn't exist. So the trades that you execute, you're not losing any money. You're also not making any money, but you are practicing, and practice makes perfect. I cannot explain that anymore than just those simple words. Practice makes perfect in everything that you do, but especially in trading. So there's a lot of different platforms that you can use where you can open a brokerage account and you don't have to pay anything. You don't have to put any money in there, but you do have to put money in there when you decide you want to start trading. At least with IBKR, I know you do, but not all platforms are like that. So you can still open your brokerage account, do demo trading on your brokerage account, so that you know what it's like to actually trade on that brokerage. Learn the brokerage, learn the platform that you're going to be trading on, learn how to execute a trade. I know this sounds crazy, but execution is it's like the holy grail of trading, because if you execute at the wrong time, you can have a major loss. And when I say major, I mean you can blow your account, literally. So it's like, learn your platform, learn what each of these buttons mean, learn a Fibonacci, learn how to mark up your charts, learn market structure. One of my biggest pet peeves when it comes to trading is when I try to introduce the idea of trading to someone and they tell me, oh, I don't have the money to do that right now. Okay, you have to learn trading first before you can even make any money. I'm bringing you this idea so that you can learn the market, educate yourself, take months if you have to, take a whole year if you have to learn trading, to learn it. And then by the time you learn it, maybe you'll have the money. But even if you don't have the money, at least you just learned a skill. So whenever you do have the money, you'll be able to execute it like that. Like, I never understand it. So when people tell me things like that, I'd be like, oh, you're probably not going to be a good trader. So I just kind of dropped the conversation. But it's just like, I want everybody to reach like financial freedom, and I truly believe that trading will help you to reach financial freedom. So I'll be trying to put people on it, but like when I get answers like that, I just be like, so I know like when starting this video, you didn't expect me to tell you just to not trade if you have a small account, but that's what I'm telling you. Don't trade if you have a small account. Start trading when you're able to lose a lot of money. And I'm not saying a lot of money like $10,000, $2,000. No, $500 to me personally is a lot of money. If you're comfortable with losing $500, go ahead, start. Some brokerages, you can't even trade with $500. I'm just being honest. You can't. But like there's different markets that you can trade with something starting as small as $500, like Forex. I believe Forex is one of the most like friendliest trading markets for people with a smaller budget, because you can trade micro lots, but I don't know, I didn't want to go the easy route. I kind of wanted to go the harder route, so I chose options, which actually cost about $2,000 to get into, but I was ready to lose that $2,000 when I started, and I did lose that $2,000 when I started twice. Lost it twice. I was comfortable with losing it. I was able to still pay my bills. So, you know, it's just like a learning experience at this point instead of it being like a major loss. You never want it to be a major loss, because when things become a major loss, it stops your momentum. You're not going to want to do it anymore. You might take a really long break and then like lose your strategy or forget your strategies and things like that. You don't want that to happen. So lose what you're comfortable with losing, okay? Put in what you're comfortable with never seeing again, because there is a high possibility that you will never see that money again if you blow your account. But if you just have to trade, like if you have a small account and you're like, I don't care, I have $100 and I just have to trade it. On Wednesday, I will make a video for you, especially for you right here who just has to trade. And there are ways you can trade with a smaller account. It's very risky. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is just information that I know. I don't recommend doing it, but if you just like have to do it, if you just really like are a riskier person, you just really want to put your foot, like if you really just want to jump off the porch with it, you know, I will teach you how to do that, okay? And that will be on Wednesday. And don't worry, it won't be a video of me saying you shouldn't do it. No, it's going to actually be a video on ways that you can profit off a small account. So on that note, you guys, I want to let you know that pretty girls can do options too. All right, you guys, I will see you on Wednesday. So stay tuned. Toodles.